Okay, so it's day 2. All the board is up, well, practically all the board, and all the sheetrock is up, ready for plaster. I didn't do that, the GC did. I got my hand to do the ceiling and a few other pieces, but now I'm putting in the mud on the shower floor. I got the floor fixed drain. I got my back screed all done. That's perfectly level. I got one of my side screeds done. I'm gonna go mix some more, and then once I get the mud done, I am going to put these pieces of board on. I didn't want to do that before I did the mud because everything would be fresh and I get it all over me. So this is what I'm working on now. So I'm gonna finish up the mud and then I am gonna call it a day. So okay, so that's it for day 2. So board is all in. The mud is all in. Pitch to the drain. Next is sheet membrane and banding on the shower floor to seal it up. Flood test. Once the flood test is done, do the shower floor, do the shower walls, and move on from there. Just as a reminder, there's going to be a niche over here, a niche over here. I'm going to cut those out once I know what the layout of the tile is. He wants them very long. There's going to be a waterfall border with that glass herringbone tile, and that glass herringbone is going to go in the niches as well. So anyway, next is shower floor. Waterproof the shower floor, and install the shower floor with some marble tiles. So we're going to have to seal that as well.